Christmas, what do you think? Presents? Santa's cookies? Exactly. But do you ever think about the reindeer food? Because the reindeer do love their snacks. So let's go make some. Warning, we please ask you to have a guardian or somebody with responsibility to help you. Hi, I'm Grace, and today we'll be making some reindeer food. So you already saw the ingredients slide. We got all the ingredients. So we're gonna start out with a red bowl. Make sure your bowl is cleaned so it doesn't have anything else in there. So first things first, you need your base, which in this case, we're going to make our base Quaker oats, also known as oatmeal. So you're gonna open your top off, grab your spoon if you want a spoon, and scoot some oats out onto the bowl. Just like that. If you want to add a little bit more, you can. There you go. Now that you got all your oats, you can put that aside. And we're going to do our, there we go. Look, they're all pulled out. And before we get started with bashing these, make sure you have a parent around or a guardian or adult, someone over 18 that has responsibility. So then you want to take all the peppermints and put them in between the wax paper so you don't get your eye. And you also want like some type of cutting board or some type of hard surface so you don't break anything. So then you want to take your hammer, and this is the fun part for the kid. You want to bash them. It's not doing anything. We should try a Ziploc bag. Take two. So now you just gotta, just tap them. They should, okay. That's, yes! That's like my favorite part of this. Now you don't want to break them to dust because then there's none. So you want to break them about that. Then you want to pick it up. There we go. We got all of our reindeer food. Oh, not all of it, the peppermints. Can you get that? So, let's do the others. So now we all got all the peppermints, the crushed up peppermints. Gotta be very careful not to get them anywhere else but in there. So do this. Do that. And at the end, we'll mix this all up and all that. So next thing's next. Granola bars. So you want to open the granola bars up. And you don't have to add the granola bars where you just are. But they're a good source of vitamins. And you want to break them into little crumbs. Just like this. You don't have to add a lot of them if you don't want to, because these are pretty strong. So when you break them all up to tiny pieces, they will look like this. And we're going to use the Natural Valley Crunchy Oats and Honey granola bar because they got some honey in it and it's nice. So, I say we move on to the carrots. See ya. When you're making them, you need to get a guardian. I have one right here, don't worry. You want to peel them. You can peel them into the bowl, you can peel them anywhere. But make sure your carrots are washed or the reindeers will not be happy with that. And then you're gonna make sure you cut them. Just so then you have little small pieces. Then put them in a bowl and dump them into your reindeer pile. So now that we got them all in the bowl, we're gonna dump them in. Our carrots are good for the reindeer because they have lots of vitamins. So next thing's next, I say we do the oatmeal cookies. So the oatmeal cookies are oatmeal cookies. Just break them up, easy to break. Ooh. They're like the granola bars, just better and more tastier. Just break picking them up for the reindeer. And we'll just do one more cookie, just to get some good sweetness in there. And there you go. You got your milk cookies. And now we gotta do the pretzels. Are you ready for this? 1, 2, 3. And there it is. So, pour all the pretzels in. You can break them up. That's what I'm gonna do. I'll just, break the pretzels. That'd be a big bite. And once you break all the pretzels you want in there, that's all the pretzels you need. And now one for me. And now, the cinnamon. Now, if you don't know what cinnamon helps with the reindeers, it gives them enough vitamins, sweetness, and fiber. And they need that for their long trip. So let's pour some in. Okay, I'm using the other side. Cinnamon! That's a lot of cinnamon. Well, I guess the reindeers will be happy. On to our next ingredient. Now for the nutmeg. To be honest, I have no idea what this does for the reindeer, but we're gonna add it in. So just gonna pour some. Kind of looks like the cinnamon. There we go. To the next ingredient. Now we gotta do the chocolate chips. And remember, this one was on the optional list for our reindeer food. Just like the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and don't forget the sprinkles. Now, the chocolate chips. So just open some and pour some in. I think that's pretty good. You don't want them to get too full of sugar. Now, the cinnamon. Bye. And now, for the most important part, the whole time you've been waiting for, drumroll please. The glitter. Now, this is special glitter, but you can use any glitter you want. So I put mine in a bag. You can have it just in the canister, and we do as soon as it comes out. Make sure you get all the glitter if you're doing it from a bag. And there you go. This gives the magical powers for reindeer. And so, now that we got all this, let's do some stirring. And remember, this is not edible. Unless you didn't have the glitter, it still wouldn't taste good to humans, but it definitely tastes good to reindeer. So you're gonna keep mixing it until you feel like it is mixed up enough. And I like to get a lot of times the oats on top, because it's just looks a little bit better that way. And there you go. There's your reindeer food. Now, cookies. And remember, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And Merry Christmas!